In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Telegram group with a link. Joining a Telegram group can be a great way to connect with like-minded people or stay updated on specific topics. Whether it's a group for professional networking or just sharing memes, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through it step by step. First, you'll need to have the Telegram app installed on your device. Open the app and ensure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already set up your Telegram account, you'll need to do so before you can join any groups. Once you're logged in and ready to go, make sure you have the invite link for the group you wish to join. This link is usually provided by the group admin or shared on social media or a website. Now, with the invite link in hand, go ahead and tap the link. The link will typically start with https://t.me, followed by the group name or a series of numbers and letters. When you click on this link, it'll automatically open the Telegram app on your device if you have it installed and logged in. If prompted, select Join Group to confirm your request to join. Once you've selected to join, you'll be granted access to the group's chat and content. You might also see a pop-up asking you to verify your decision. This is just a simple step to ensure you're intentional about joining the group, so go ahead and confirm again. In case the link doesn't open Telegram directly or you encounter any issues, you can also try manually entering the link into your browser's address bar. From there, it should redirect you to your Telegram app, where you can join the group as previously described. If, however, the group you're trying to join is private, you'll need to receive an invite from the group's admin directly. Once you accept the invite, the process will be the same as joining a public group. A quick tip: it's always a good idea to review the group's guidelines or pinned messages once you've joined, to ensure you're in sync with their rules and the overall tone of the chat. This can save you from inadvertently causing any disruptions and helps maintain a positive group experience for everyone involved. Remember, some groups might have a limit on the number of members they can accept, although that's more common with larger, more popular groups. If you find you're unable to join because the group is full, it might be worth reaching out to the admin for possible alternatives or waitlists. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the world of Telegram groups. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy discovering new communities through Telegram.